Got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. Bread, up and down, bread, up and down, right, bread, up and down, open.
So what's up everyone? Nagbabalik ulit si Joker TV Stream with our new videos for today. So ito na, dumating na yung in-order natin from Temu. Basically, you can order anywhere. But of course, if you're like trying to go on a budget wise, if you're a collector, I mean, I'm not really type of like a hardcore collector, but as long as like I have those card that I want, then yeah, I would really purchase it. But this part right here, it's quite cheaper rather than buying like somewhere else. Like, I don't want to mention the brand because yeah, I mean, like I don't want to mention the website, but yeah, I would recommend if you're trying to go on a budget, I would recommend to go purchase on Temu or AliExpress, so you can actually get a discount price compare like buying it on the actual retail. Kasi it's based the way I look at it. I'll show you in the picture on how much I purchased this compared to like when you buy it on an actual retail, which is quite like a double price for this type of item. Alright, so let's go ahead and start opening this one and see what's inside. Okay? Alright, the first one is, let's see. Okay, so ito yung in-order ko sa Temu. We have this like a diorama like mini figurines for 164. So basically ito yung tsura niya kapag naka 164. So medyo realistic siya kasi medyo comparable sa size, which is quite good, especially if you're trying to make like a photo pictures for these figures. It would really suits well. So ito, I'm not sure what brand is this, but I do see some people, I think may mga figures na ganito, but it says like Kaido. I don't know how to order it, but I do see online like some people have those type of brand. So for now, yeah, I got this in Temu and bought this kasi kasama na siyang parang clay dough, yeah, to for you to like at least add it to like an what do you call this, adhesive, but not like talaga parang mga mighty bun or whatever, because that's gonna break our figures. So basically right now I think this is a clay dough, yung ginagamit ng mga clay ng bata. So for us to like para lang siya mag-stick dun sa format na binili nating what I call this diorama. So this is what we have. So I got like 5 figures here. One is female, I believe. Then 3 of them are like holding a gas. So I'm hoping like for our next video, because I ordered one online na meron siyang kasamang that was, I think I bought it to Target, na meron siyang kasamang parang gas, yung pinagkukuhanan ng gas, like whenever you guys go for the gas station. So that would suits well with this figure. So it might look like parang really realistic dun sa ating diorama. Okay, so this is what we have on our first box. Of course, manufacturer nito, mostly naman talaga ang mga toys is coming from China. So they have their own manufacturer who create this type of figurines, 3D printers and whatsoever, including those like huge like statue, which is I do have it, but I'll show you that on our next video. Just to give you an idea, like kung ano yung usually na mga kinakolek ko. Basically ako is like I just go with the flow. So whichever I like it, that's the one I collected. So for now, yeah, we have this figurine, and let's see what's on this box. I hope ito yung diorama nating inaantay. Okay, so I'll get back to you and show you what's inside. Hey guys, so I'm back, Joker TV Stream here. So, ito, dumating na yung atin. Ito yung laman ng plastic kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo. So, this one I got it for free. So, this is a good thing about when you're shopping in Temu. There are times like they get you guys a free item without any charge, or you can get it at a discount. Like instead purchasing it for $14, you can get it for like about $2 or $3 or so. So I got this. This is a small diorama, like a what do you call this? Ano form to? Para siyang ano eh. Para siyang garahe. But I don't like this type kasi medyo ano to. Parang masyadong malaki for 164. But I'm gonna give this to my nephew kasi I know he does collect ng ganito mga 164 scale na kotse. So actually siya yung pasimuno din kaya napabili din ako. And this is what we actually purchased. So right now I only have this one, but I believe I ordered like 2 of them. But this is the only one that came first. So ganito itsura niya, guys. So ang manufacturer nito is, I believe it's KMC MDS. But as far as I know, the manufacturer here is the G Fans. You can check that on our screen. You can just search it on any website, Google, Mozilla, search the G Fans 164 scale diorama, and it will tell you all those details regarding about having this type of garage. And they also have a different type of diorama wherein like scenery, like may 7-Eleven, meron siyang McDonald's. Actually, that's what I'm planning to buy, but for now, since this is my budget, I'm gonna get this, so for me to just start how it looks like. So I'll go ahead and start, and buuin natin to. Samahan nyo ako, guys, buuin natin tong ating garahe. Alright, so ito yung figure natin. We're gonna use this later on in the video. Ito sa pamangkin ko to, so I'm just gonna put this aside. So let's open this up. Yun lang, naka-tape. See? This is how you know it's basically new. Talagang sealed pa. Alright, so be careful if you guys have like scissor. Please be careful on handling them para hindi kayo masugatan. And let's see, so it's well protected. Oh, it's kind of like similar dito rin pala. But the only thing was, this is like a close garage. And then also meron sang switch. So basically, I have a feeling na, oh, may LED siya, guys. You see? This is the LED. So this would serve us our light inside our diorama. So let's open up and fix it. See what's gonna be the result. Okay, let's put this aside. Box. Normally I don't throw this away, so just in case like I wanted them to, I'm tired of like displaying them, I always keep them just in case, para lang meron tayong lagayan. Alright, so let's start. Nabuuin natin to, guys. So ito is more like a garage. It's nice, just like what it shows on the picture. So ang quality nito, para siyang styro or something na kahoy, I believe. So, but with the quality of the paint, I mean, I don't know if this is paint or sticker, the 3D printed, it's really nice, as you can see. Let's try to, buuin na natin siya. So, this goes on the bottom. So ano ba yung front natin dito? So this is the front. Oh, so meron din siyang close yung counter para hindi malikabukan ng ating Hot Wheels. So this is good thing about this, one thing I like about on this diorama, kasi meron siyang close compartment na di malikabukan. Okay, so let's fix it. So this goes here. Let's try this one right here. Ito sa likod to. Okay, good. And then this goes on the side. And then, nalalaglag. Okay, so this goes on the side. And then I have this one. So, let's see. Medyo nagwi-wiggle lang siya. Oh boy. Yun ang sinasabi ko. There's one thing I hate about it. Kasi kapag if you're not that patient person, this thing is not for you. Hindi ka mapasensyoso. So, I have to really careful adding it on. See if it went through or what. Okay, so it went through. Have to check the other side. So the middle didn't went through yet. Okay, there we go. Now it's fixed. But normally I would recommend it to, if you're gonna display this permanently, I would recommend it for you to glue it. I-glue nyo na lang para hindi maapektuhan. Now, let's try to test it out if this works. So ito yung tsura niya, guys. Yan. As you can see, yan yung tsura niya. So ngayon test natin, guys, kung if this thing works actually. So tingnan natin, ha. One moment and be. So yan na, guys. Yung result niya. I just finished adding it. Although meron pa siyang kulang mga accessories. But yeah, that's how it end up look. Really nice. Galing, di ba? So ito yung ano natin.